Question 3 is all about data comparison. There are 2 trays of plants in a greenhouse. The first tray of plants was given fertiliser. The second tray of plants was not given fertiliser. On Monday, the heights of the plants were measured in centimetres. The boxes show some information about the heights of the plants. And I note immediately they're given in very different formats. And I'm asked to compare the distribution of the heights of the plants given fertiliser to the distribution of the heights of the plants not given fertiliser. So as soon as I see that word distribution, I'm thinking, okay, what statistics can I work out? If I were unsure of that, I could look at the information I was given here and ask myself about that. So one of my important statistics is going to be my range, my largest value subtract my smallest value. One is going to be my interquartile range, my 3/4 largest value and my 1/4 largest value. And then one key point is going to be my median, that is my 50th percentile. And so I'm going to need to collate the information in order to determine these. Now I note that in my second box, I've got smallest and largest values, I can already work out my range. I've got lower and upper quartiles, I can already work out my interquartile range, and I'm given my median. So effectively, I'm just going to work those out for this value here. That's those plants given fertiliser. And thankfully, they've ordered this list for me already. So, to help me, I'm going to write it in the same format. So my smallest value is 22. My largest value is 72. My median value is the n plus 1 over 2th term. The n plus 1 over 2th term. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 terms. So that's 15 plus 1, 16 over 2. That's my 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 47. And then I need my lower quartile and my upper quartile. And so I need to work those values out. So that would be my n plus 1 over 4th term for my lowest quartile and my 3n plus 1 over 4th term for my upper quartile. We've already established n is 15. So n plus 1 is 16 over 4 is 4. So I need my 4th term. 1, 2, 3, 4. So quartile 1 is 35. And then my 3n plus 1 over 4th term, m is 15, so 16 over 4, 4. So 3 times 4 is my 12th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's my 56 centimetre height. So now I can compute a number of things. My range is smallest versus largest. I'm going to call these A and B. So for A, that is largest subtract smallest, I should have said, is 72 subtract 22, which is 50. Whereas for B, that is 64 subtract 18, which is 42. 46. And therefore, because I need to conclude, because I'm comparing, therefore fertiliser has a larger range. I'm going to do the same for my interquartile range. I'm doing Q3 subtract Q1. So for A, that is 56 subtract 35, which is 21. And for B, that is 47 subtract 26, which is also 21. So they have the same interquartile range. And then my median for A is 47, we've already calculated that. For B is 44, so fertiliser has a higher median. Now we don't particularly need anything more than that except an overall conclusion. So I've got my range, interquartile range and median. So my range is larger for fertiliser, my median is higher for fertiliser, therefore fertiliser on average gives taller plants but with more variation, because my range is larger. So whenever I'm talking about distributions, I'm asking myself, what statistics can I calculate? And then what does that tell me about my overall situation? And that's question 3 sorted.